Hello, welcome to Miemie's Keepsakes. I'm Arnell. I am here today to make some paper clips and I'm going to use the new kit from Rach Bella Crafts, Billet Due. This will be my design team project. I was going to show you that I finished that yesterday or last night, and I only added toppers to the tags. I think these are so pretty. I don't even want to add anything to it, and it gives whoever buys the journal a chance to decorate some of it themselves. And so to do the paper clips, I printed the images 4 to a page, this one 2 to a page, but I'm not sure if it's going to be too big, and then this one 4 to a page as well. So let's get started. I have these will definitely be too big. I was wondering if they'll work. I have some scraps here. Let me throw that on. Scraps, and I am going to use just this glue book. There's a piece of glue book page that I've used. It's a bit of a, let's use a new one. That glue is like a little lumpy, and I am going to just collage this. Make a little masterboard. Hazel Anika is hosting Masterboard Madness this month. Please fill in the hashtag and go look at those channels. And because it's smaller, I'm going to use smaller pieces because I want it to show up when I put it on a paper clip. And how are you guys today? I am determined today to just try to clean up stuff and unpack boxes, because I feel like that has been, this week so far, not really been the focus. A lot of things have been happening at my house. They came to fix a lot of things and finish little things, which is great. But that meant that you're constantly, they ask, well, do you want to do this? Do you want to do it this way? So it's just not really good for being productive. Maybe I'll tear some of that. I feel like my scraps are just all the same. Just grab that page again. And let's just tear some of this out, and we'll use this. I can always print it again. I know it's not really scraps, but there's no law that say you have to use scraps. Well, maybe there is, but I don't know about it. It's a beautiful morning. Oh my goodness, the days are so nice now. I actually want to be in the garden. It'd be nice to start cleaning the garden, but there's so many things to do. You have to prioritize. Let's put it that way. That way. Too close to that paper. More of this. Constantly creating scraps, more scraps, and then all these little pieces I put in the recycling, and it's just, yeah, a constant thing. Oh, my cat is outside the door. She wants to come in, but she'll have to wait, unfortunately. I'm looking for just a little piece. Put it in like that. So, have you been making any master boards? If you have, you can, I would love to see it if you want to post it on my Miemie's Keepsakes group. The group is, if you look up Miemie's Keepsakes, I hope it'll show up. And you do not need a channel. You can just post what you've made. Don't feel like it's only people with channels that can post on those groups. Anybody can post, and I would really love to see what you're up to. Oh, and I haven't officially started like marketing my new channel, but I did start a new channel for stitchery. It's called Miemie Stitchery, and if you want to go over there and subscribe, I only have a couple of videos up there but by now, but I'm trying my best to add more videos. And create more things. I am very behind on my Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. Very behind, but I will try to catch up. Maybe we'll put this one there. I should have, well, I don't have that many scraps yet with this kit because I kind of just started working on this. But I do love this kit. I think this kit, these backgrounds are going to become a staple for me because it's just the perfect shade of pink and blue and very neutral. You can use it with anything. Rachel has a 30% discount on these, and they're on her website. You want to go look at that. Okay. Now I have 1,000 little pieces. I'll have to sort that in a minute. So what I want to do is I have these bigger, and I had a set of a pen there, and I have this vintage pen for diapers that I found somewhere. And I think this was still in the day when people mostly used cloth diapers. So okay, these, so all I need to know is I need to kind of tear them, and I want to keep the torn look, and unfortunately it's not totally dry yet, but we'll try our best. And let's just tear 2 strips and make paper clips. And for the paper clips, all you need to do is decide how long you want this. Maybe I'll cut a couple of these out so I can see what I want to do and how I want to use them. And those are too bad. I don't even have to cut them. Let's just stick with these 4 because I think they are big enough or not too big, and I can always cut them smaller. I should get a little container for all these small pieces that I'm only going to recycle. They're not gonna go. Just want to get all the little pieces on one spot. Okay, so this will just, you have to put it through the paper clip and then just fold it over because you'll glue that. And then let's see, I'll tear it here. And this one, get it in there. Oh, got it in the wrong way. Okay. And that is basically what you do. And now we're gonna just glue that part. And I'm gonna tear that little bit off. And this part, I pulled out some little pieces from my container on my desk, and seeing something else. Let's see if we can decorate these quickly. Oh, these are so tiny. I think I need tweezers. And let's just move those away. Maybe a little piece of lace here behind her. Don't know how big to make it. Yeah, okay, so let's glue. I'm going to do this. Oh, this glue is done. New glue, just so I can get the lace glued down. And even the piece of fabric. This is a piece of sari soap. And where did my bill go? Okay. And maybe I could do some teeny tiny stamps or something, or labels you can print. While I have this piece of fabric here, let's just add that there. And maybe let's get that glue off. There. Add this behind. Okay, let me glue this down. This one, oh, maybe we'll do it this way. I do like that. Oh, this way. And then I want it. Oh. It is difficult to work with these teeny tiny pieces. I do need maybe tweezers. And I don't have anything smaller, but I feel I need to add something on here to soften the look. Whoa. Okay. And her, oh, I do want to use the tea bag. Okay. I didn't even put it down. Tea bag is going on. Okay, and she's a black and white photo. Let's add some lace. See, it's so easy. Okay, let's add some. Maybe this is too big. Let's make it a little smaller. Okay. And then I was thinking, maybe this little piece of ribbon, I can do, it has to go in that way, so I can maybe add, just don't want to interfere with the, just a little ribbon here. Let's see if I can make the teeniest, tiniest bow. There. Ah. Just want it a little smaller. There, isn't that cute? This one, how does it open that way? Oh, we can always add it in here. Let's do another one. I'll try to control them. It might look pretty on a page or with a, let's glue it. Knot it this way. Okay. Might look pretty on a page, but I will try to put it under a book or something to get it to look like this. Just have to force it a little bit. And then this one, let's add a bow here. Or just a little bit of, I can always add more dangles. Let's just do it this way. And again, I'll put this on a book, under a book. Okay, so that is the paper clips and safety pin. I use French Billet Due from Rach Bella Crafts. Go to her website to buy this kit, and also go to Hazel Anika's channel and support the masterboard makers. It is so fun. There's nothing more fun than a masterboard. And I'm wondering, I might add this luster wax around the edges of these paper clips. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.